Hey, it's Katie with WTI. I'm just going to give you a quick demo of these awesome lav mics just to show how far you can be away from your phone and still sound nice and crisp and clear. I am going to climb up on this rock. So I am turned away from my camera. So normally you wouldn't be able to hear me at all. But now you can hear me nice and clear and you wouldn't know. So I really like this JMZOEY brand because it has a receiver for both the C-type and the Lightning type of charger. It comes in a really convenient carrying case. You can only hold one type of receiver in the carrying case at a time. So be aware of that if you're switching between devices. This has great quality sound and it does come with 2 microphones. You can see I have the first mic on, my daughter has the second mic on. I'm going to have her walk into the other room and make a little bit of noise so you can see how clearly mic number 2 also picks up sound. Although it's a little crazy, that was a perfect demonstration. Thank you. I am so happy to have them in my video creator toolbox. And that's my point of view.